Tired of thinking 3D printing is too expensive, or that budget models just don't deliver quality results? I found the 5 budget 3D printers that genuinely prove you wrong. Our extensive testing process, which includes print quality assessments and reliability testing over several months, has revealed which 3D printers truly offer exceptional value without compromising performance. Each one has unique features that could be perfect for your creative projects, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Here we go. Number 5. Creality Ender 3 S1. What immediately sets this printer apart is its impressive 200mm per second printing speed, which is genuinely 4 times faster than standard budget printers, and that translates into significantly shorter wait times for your projects. But speed means nothing without quality, and that's where the Sprite direct drive extruder really shines. Unlike Bowden tube systems, this dual gear design gives you incredibly reliable filament feeding. Plus, it handles flexible materials like TPU beautifully, something that's typically challenging for budget printers. What's even better is the CR Touch automatic bed leveling system. This feature uses 16-point mesh leveling to eliminate the frustration of manual bed adjustments, which honestly can make or break your printing experience, especially when you're starting out. Additionally, the removable magnetic spring steel build plate makes removing finished prints effortless, so you won't need to wrestle with spatulas or risk damaging your work. Another major advantage is the assembly process. At 96% pre-installed, you're looking at roughly 6 steps to get printing, compared to hours of assembly with other budget options. Plus, practical features like filament runout detection and power loss recovery mean you won't waste materials or lose progress during longer prints. The dual Z-axis motor design provides excellent stability and precision, resulting in smooth surface finishes that rival much more expensive machines. Furthermore, this printer supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PETG, ABS, and flexible TPU, giving you tremendous versatility for different project types. However, keep in mind that like most budget printers, you'll need to invest some time in initial calibration and learning the basics of slicing software, though the active online community provides excellent support and resources. Whether you're creating prototypes, hobby projects, or educational models, the Ender 3 S1 delivers professional quality results without the premium price tag. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. What immediately catches your attention is the Core XY all-metal structure that delivers printing speeds up to 600mm per second, which means you'll finish projects in a fraction of the time compared to typical budget printers. But speed without reliability would be pointless, and that's where the one-click automatic leveling really makes a difference. You simply press a button, and the printer handles bed calibration perfectly, eliminating the tedious manual adjustments that often frustrate beginners. Additionally, the high-flow nozzle heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, so you're not waiting around to start printing. What's particularly impressive is the material versatility. This printer handles everything from standard PLA and PETG to engineering-grade materials like ABS, ASA, and even carbon fiber reinforced filaments. The fully enclosed chamber maintains consistent temperatures, which is crucial when working with temperature-sensitive materials that would normally warp or fail in open printers. Another major advantage is the dual-sided PEI platform that makes removing finished prints effortless. You won't need to wrestle with spatulas or worry about damaging your work. Plus, the vibration compensation technology reduces resonance during printing, resulting in smoother surfaces and finer details. The remote app control adds genuine convenience, especially with the optional camera kit that lets you monitor prints from anywhere and adjust parameters in real time. However, keep in mind that this printer does run quite loud, so it might not be ideal if you're planning to use it in noise-sensitive environments. Whether you're prototyping functional parts, creating detailed miniatures, or exploring different materials, the Adventurer 5M delivers professional quality results with minimal setup hassle. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. What immediately sets this printer apart is its remarkable 10,000mm per second squared acceleration, which translates into genuinely impressive printing speeds. That'll cut your project times dramatically compared to most budget options. But speed means nothing without reliability, and that's where the full auto calibration really shines. Unlike the manual adjustments we saw with previous models, this printer handles Z offset and bed leveling automatically, eliminating the frustration that often discourages beginners. Additionally, the active flow rate compensation uses smart algorithms to ensure consistent filament extrusion throughout your prints. What's particularly exciting us is the multicolor printing capability when you add the optional AMS light system. This opens up creative possibilities that typically require much more expensive machines, letting you create complex, colorful designs that would be impossible with single-color printers. Another major advantage is the setup process. You'll go from from unboxing to your first print in just 20 minutes, thanks to the mostly pre-assembled design. Plus, the one-clip quick swap nozzle makes maintenance incredibly simple, so you won't spend hours wrestling with tools when you need to change nozzle sizes. The quiet operation is genuinely impressive too, running at just 48 decibels or less, which means you can print overnight without disturbing anyone. Furthermore, the Bambu Handy app lets you monitor prints remotely and even capture time lapses, adding convenience that rivals much more expensive machines. However, keep in mind that multicolor printing requires purchasing the AMS light separately, which adds to your initial investment. Whether you're creating detailed miniatures, functional prototypes, or artistic projects, the A1 Mini delivers professional quality results with minimal setup hassle. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 10K. What immediately sets this resin printer apart is its remarkable 10K resolution screen, with 9024 by 5120 pixels, delivering an impressive 17 micrometer pixel size that creates incredibly detailed prints with smooth surface finishes. But high resolution means nothing without speed, and that's where the Light Turbo Matrix light source really shines. You'll get exposure times as fast as 1.5 seconds per layer, which translates into significantly shorter print times compared to standard resin printers. Additionally, the uniform UV lighting eliminates those annoying layer lines and reduces rasterization that can ruin fine details. What's particularly helpful for beginners is that this printer arrives pre-assembled and fully calibrated, so you're literally ready to print right out of the box. Plus, practical features like power outage recovery mean you won't lose hours of work if the electricity goes out during longer prints. Another major advantage is the laser-engraved build platform that provides excellent adhesion, while making model removal surprisingly easy. You won't need to wrestle with stuck prints or worry about warping issues that plague many budget resin printers. However, keep in mind that the entire construction is plastic rather than metal, which feels less premium and means replacement vats can be more expensive than metal alternatives. The USB-only connectivity also means you'll need to transfer files manually rather than printing over Wi-Fi. Whether you're creating detailed miniatures, jewelry prototypes, or dental models, the Photon Mono 4 delivers professional quality results that rival much more expensive machines. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Number 1. Creality Ender 3. What makes this printer truly special isn't just its incredibly affordable entry point, but the fact that it's become the most popular learning platform for anyone serious about understanding 3D printing from the ground up. Right away, you'll notice the resume printing function, which is genuinely impressive for a budget printer. This feature saves your progress during power outages or interruptions, so you won't lose hours of work on longer prints. Additionally, the partially assembled design means you're looking at roughly 2 hours of setup time. But honestly, this assembly process becomes your first valuable lesson in understanding how these machines actually work. What's particularly valuable is the massive online community surrounding this printer. Unlike more expensive models we've seen earlier, the Ender 3 has thousands of tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and upgrade paths readily available, which means you're never stuck when problems arise. Speaking of upgrades, this is where the Ender 3 really shines long-term. You can gradually improve everything from bed springs to extruders to motherboards, essentially building your way up to professional-grade performance. Moreover, it handles various filament types including PLA, PETG, and with proper adjustments, even flexible materials. However, keep in mind that this printer requires manual bed leveling, which can be frustrating initially and demands patience to master. The learning curve is real, and you'll need to invest time understanding slicing software and print settings, but that's exactly what makes it such an excellent educational tool. Whether you're prototyping functional parts, creating hobby projects, or learning the fundamentals of additive manufacturing, the Ender 3 delivers remarkable value through hands-on experience that builds genuine expertise. Check today's price on Amazon through the link below. So, which one would you choose? You can see updated prices and buy the products on Amazon from the link in the description.